Tax litigation lawyers versus corporate tax advisors. Which one is better for resolving tax disputes? Most businesses get this wrong by thinking all tax problems are handled the same way, but the surprising truth is that choosing between tax litigation lawyers and corporate tax advisors can dramatically affect the outcome of a dispute. Tax litigation lawyers specialize in representing clients in court or before tax authorities. They handle audits, assessments, and appeals when disagreements over taxes escalate to legal action. For example, if a company faces a multi-million-dollar tax claim from the government and negotiations fail, a tax litigation lawyer can argue the case in court, submit evidence, and defend the abusant's position. They are essential for high-stakes disputes where formal legal proceedings are unavoidable. Corporate tax advisors, on the other hand, focus on proactive planning and negotiation. They analyze tax structures, identify compliance gaps, and negotiate settlements with tax authorities before disputes reach litigation. For instance, a corporate tax advisor can help a multinational company correct reporting errors, agree on deferred payments, or apply for tax relief programs to avoid penalties. Their goal is to resolve conflicts early and minimize costs. So, which is better? Tax litigation lawyers are ideal when disputes are already in court or when negotiation has failed. Corporate tax advisors are best for preventing disputes or resolving them before escalation. Many successful businesses combine both approaches. Advisors handle ongoing tax planning and mitigation, while litigation lawyers are on standby if negotiations break down. The key takeaway is that understanding the stage and nature of your tax issue is critical. Engaging the right professional not only protects your finances, but also ensures compliance and reduces risks. Knowing whether you need a litigator or an advisor or both can save you business time, money, and stress, giving you confidence that your tax matters are handled effectively.